And there it is, the chin mount, the action cam chin mount from Extreme Sport WannaBes. What's going on, guys? Today I'm super excited. Extreme Sports WannaBes has expanded their offerings, and I have here today with me just those set offerings. Let's take a look. This box arrived last night. Now, Extreme Sports WannaBes is a family-owned business. Super awesome. These mounts are backed by a lifetime warranty, so you break it, they replace it. Now, what we're talking about here are helmet mounts. You may have seen my other two videos where I debuted these mounts, one on my Klim F5 helmet and then on my Cryos Pro helmet that I have here. Those were all black mounts. Now, just recently, the WannaBes have launched additional colors in various helmet mounts. So, for example, this helmet normally comes in a gray, comes in a white format, comes in black. So this particular Klim Cryos Pro has 3 different colored mounts to choose from. Super cool, super stoked. Of course, they give you some cool swag stickers as well. Right now, I'm going to be showing you the installation of this gray one on the front of my Cryos Pro. Let's get to it. So what exactly comes in the box? We're going to get one of the mounts, whichever mount you choose and whichever color you like. You're going to get a couple stickers, an alcohol prep pad for wiping down your helmet, and a brand new thumb screw for your camera. Now, all of these mounts are helmet specific, so take a look at the website, drill down and find out the specific mount that fits your specific helmet. And that's what makes these guys different than a lot of the other helmet mounts out there, is the fact that you're getting a mount that is 100% made for your helmet. Now, another thing they did that's really unique that I like is they put the screw here on the opposite side of most other mounts. That allows you to be able to get to the battery easily, as this thumb screw is not going to be in the way. Now, when it comes to installation, these mounts feature authentic 3M tape. Now, this 3M tape is really sticky and really strong. Now, these helmet mounts are universal. You can use just about any action cam on them at all. I currently use the DJI Osmo Action. I've got a full setup video on how I mounted or wired the DJI Osmo Action into my helmet. What's up, guys? Kyle Bradshaw here, and today I want to share with you my newest MotoVlog setup. Extremely inexpensive as compared to the new GoPro, and it gives you phenomenal quality. Take a look at any of the future vlogs that I've done with this camera, and you'll be able to see the difference. All right, so we take our alcohol prep pad out, and we're gonna go ahead and prep the entire area that we're gonna be mounting this thing on. It's gonna go right here. So I'm just gonna clean the entire area. And then after that, we're gonna test fit the mount to make sure it has perfect placement. Let me take a look. My helmet's a little bit dirty. I'm gonna go ahead and swap sides. Go ahead and clean this side. And you wanna make sure the alcohol is completely dry before you go ahead and stick your mount to the helmet. Now, this is my second mount. I'll show you a picture of how I destroyed it. I accidentally left it inside the truck and the arms got all bent and tweaked out of shape. I sent them a picture and they sent me a brand new mount. Now, at that time, they asked me which helmet I had and they informed me that they had different colors. So I had to pick up a couple of the different colors so I could show you guys the new and improved versions that they now have, which are now color matched. Super nice. So I used the black one previously, but today I'm gonna be mounting up this guy right here. This is the gray version. Now, the last time I mounted this, I mounted it right down here to this little seam at the very base of the helmet, and that put the helmet mount right down here at the very bottom. Now, I found out later that I really needed to move that up just a little bit in order for that camera to be in my perfect line of sight so I could see the little blinking light and I can know that the camera was running while I was rolling down the road. And this time I'm gonna move it up just a little bit. Next, you're gonna go ahead and rub this 3M tape. Now, a little known secret that I learned from a friend of mine who actually works at 3M is if you rub the back of the tape like this and warm it up, it actually activates that adhesive and makes it stick even better than 3M does if you don't do this process. I mean, this process isn't necessary, but it does provide a better initial adhesion than you would typically get if it was cold. Again, you want to install this in a warmer climate, probably 70 degrees or so, like in a house or something. You don't want it to be freezing cold, and you don't want it to be super scorching hot. So now I'm going to set this mount up in place. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to open the jaws of the mount just a little bit. And we're going to set it in place. We're going to take a quick look, make sure it's level. It's always important. And now we're going to go ahead and press these wings into the helmet. You're going to want to give good pressure here for about 15-20 seconds. Make sure that 3M adhesive is doing its job and is activating there against the helmet. All right. Once we get that guy stuck on there, we're going to bring our helmet mount or our helmet camera, bring it on over and attach our thumb screw. Another nice part about this mount is the fact that they've created it far enough away so when you're in an extreme attack position on a dirt bike, you can have it angled like this. That's the appropriate mount. Versus if you're riding adventure, a lot of times you're going to have it straight up and the camera's going to be straighter like this. Or even if you're riding along and you want to get that vantage point of kind of like looking over your front fender, you can tip it forward like this. And while you're still seeing straight forward, your camera is going to be able to record the things that are going on down in front of you. Super neat setup from the WannaBes. All right, guys, I'm only able to use one of these mounts on my Klim Cross Pro, so I now have 2 extras. What I'm going to do is I'd like you to leave a comment down below. Do you like the black one or would you like the white one? If you own a Klim Cross Pro and you want a free WannaBes helmet chin mount, please leave a comment down below. Say either black or white. I'm then going to take all of the black names and put them in a hat. I'm going to take all the white names, put them in a hat, and I'm going to choose live one of these days on the Instagram. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram, and I will do a live drawing where I'm going to give away each of these helmet mounts to one of you guys watching. I really appreciate your support. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers. We're getting so close. We're about 250 subscribers away. In the process of creating some t-shirts, some manybikes t-shirts. If you ride with either a dual sport or a dirt bike helmet, or even one of the Simpson Bandit or Mod Bandit helmets, they've got mounts that fit a slew of helmets. So go take a look at the full lineup that they've got. Thank you guys for making a great product. Really appreciate it. Again, American made, family owned business, super neat product. So go take a look at the link down below and go explore their website to see if they have a camera that fits the helmet that you wear. If you like what you saw today, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want more action like this coming directly to your inbox, hit that subscribe button, and more importantly, the notification bell, so you can be part of the notification squad. Until next time, and as always, take care, ride safe out there.